Hey guys, Vulcan Trader here. So let's do a little market review here, what I'm doing. So like I said, I am at least, I'm 50% invested in crypto because we're above these moving averages. And then once we break the 50-day moving average, we're fully into it. And I'm going to go 100%, not recommending that to other people, or maybe even 50% might be too aggressive for some people. I'm just telling you what I'm doing from Vulcan mindset, I suppose. But then all these are looking pretty good. All the bit W, like I said, the NAV was about 40. I think it's probably still close to there, but it looks like it's reversing here. If it drops down to around the 40 level, I mean even here I'd buy it, and then if Bitcoin continues to go up, then it should catch up with it. And then BitQ, all those they're doing fine. Let's see, OBTC is it actually had if you look at the weekly RSI, it's doing pretty good. I think just maybe starting to get some premium expansion here in it. So just really oversold weekly RSI below 30. I'm not sure about whether, if you don't have a long trading history at the weekly RSI, is it reliable because it's just showing up, if that makes sense. But haven't looked at a lot like that, but not sure about that, if it's as strong of a signal. And then ETHE, Ethereum, holding that. GDLC, which is another crypto index, it's still doing good, peaking up above this wedge here. And then MicroStrategy, still doing good. UWMC, it touched the 10-day moving average here, filled the gap, but still seems to be doing fine. But yeah, maybe a UWMC, if you did buy it, then if we get a close below the 10-day, maybe sell half and then sell the other half if it closes below the 20-day moving average. Or if you want to go real long term, you could do the 50, maybe a third at each of those. And then ACAD still holding, it's still holding up well, same way. Workhorse touched the 10-day here. If it gets lower, gets a close below the 10-day, might sell my Workhorse, or it still might bounce right here. But yeah, if it closes below that or below 1390, at least part of it, I'd sell it there. I expected that to be a hard and fast mover, not as long term. AMC still holding up good, and then should move up or stop from, let's see, it was 40 here. I'd move it, stop out at below the prior day low here whenever you start to, so if you look here, for example, any big run like this, so whenever the price is here, your stop would be, if you say you'd bought it here, your stop would be the prior day low, and then once it's here and once it's there, your stop would be below that. And it basically, the prior day low usually never gets hit until the run's about over. So it didn't have it here, didn't have it. Actually, see, this bar didn't go below the bottom of that one. This bar didn't go below the bottom of that one. This bar didn't go below the bottom of that one. And then when you get or breaks the prior day low, or you can try and sell in strength here, like when you have 50%, 100% of day. But as far as trailing stop in these type of moves, prior day low, boom. And then we did the same thing for the entry here. I didn't mention this in the video yesterday. So you're going down, see that this bar didn't break the prior day high, this bar didn't break the prior day high. And then yesterday, why I bought in the pre-market, we were at 50. Well, this was the prior day high, which was right here, about 49 and change. We were in the pre-market, it was at 50 when around 7 o'clock I woke up. So I was like, okay, broke the prior day high already, pre-market, so I bought it right there. And then here we go, we got a run going. So now our stop should be the prior day low right here and behind the 10-day moving average in this case. But then once it gets really far away from the 10-day moving average, you could do the prior day low. I think is a good stop on AMC. And then I bought some Wish this morning, actually. Maybe we'll see, maybe it's not a good call, but I got this guy owns the gym that I go to, and I mean, he told me about Doge pretty early. He told me about he bought AMC, and I mean, I was already in at that point, but kind of funny just that right now, whatever the general public buys seems to be doing well on all the Wall Street bets plays and anything that's getting hyped that most people are hearing about. That's not typical stock activity that works all the time in all years, and I wouldn't recommend buying those, but he had mentioned Wish to me, and I knew about it. It was on my radar, but it looked pretty good. It's got like maybe some sort of a little flag going here, and it was breaking up above here. So I thought, yeah, so I got Wish about 1180, 12, something like that, and then I'd maybe put your stop here. But if it ends up getting running a bunch like the other Wall Street bets, maybe it goes to 20, 25, something like that. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's what I got at the moment, and I'm probably do some other just learning videos here other than market reviews. But that's what I'm up to at the moment. Like, subscribe, share this. Try and make this more regularly.